In this video, we will be highlighting interesting facts about Paris, France. To start off, here's one fun fact. Paris is a food lover's paradise, offering a wide range of culinary delights. Some of the best foods to try in Paris include croissants, freshly baked, flaky, and buttery. Croissants are a must-have for breakfast. Baguettes, long, thin loaves of bread that are a staple in French cuisine. Escargot, snails cooked with garlic, butter, and parsley, often served as an appetizer. Crepes, thin pancakes that can be filled with sweet or savory fillings. Macarons, delicate, colorful cookies made from almond flour and filled with ganache or buttercream. Ratatouille, a vegetable stew made with eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Coq au vin, a classic French dish of chicken cooked in red wine with mushrooms, onions, and bacon. Steak frites, slices of tender steak served with crispy, golden fries. Crème brûlée, a rich custard topped with a layer of caramelized sugar. Cheese, France is famous for its wide variety of cheeses, from mild to bold flavors. This is an example of how much information is packed into this video. You will have access to Paris, France's indoor and outdoor malls. Also a list of outlet malls. The top 5 restaurants and the history of France. Hope you're ready, because I'm ready to dive into this informative video. Please give this video a thumbs up and like, subscribe and share this video with friends and family. Thanks for being a part of our community. Please watch till the end of this video and enjoy the background music that has been selected just for you, as well as upcoming videos you may be interested in watching.